Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Hyundai in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Tucson in the Premium SE specification. So this car has a lovely opening panoramic glass roof, there's keyless entry, electric tailgate, you get front and rear parking sensors with a full 360-degree camera system. Now inside the car it's leather interior with heated front seats. The touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control. The car has speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. It's got the automatic 1.6 litre petrol engine. It's done under 14,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Hyundai in Taunton. Thank you.